In this video, I want to talk about all the new features that we have introduced in the second phase of deployment. First, we have introduced the new activity log feature on the dashboard. This activity log feature will maintain a complete record of all the actions a user has completed on the system. One great benefit of this feature is that it provides more visibility to managers, so they can keep up to date with the work their staff are doing. This shows a record of all activity carried out on the system, such as emails, invoicing, file notes, and much more. We have also introduced some major changes in the structure of the Ezymigrate invoicing section. We have introduced a concept of parent and child invoices that align with IAA requirements. Users now can easily create an advance payment notice with multiple taxable child invoices. We have also taken the zero integration to the next level, and now two-way syncing with your invoices is possible. This means you can easily do your work on the Ezymigrate system and also manage client invoicing and payment history through zero syncing. Last but not least, we have also deployed the Ezymigrate reminder system with an additional payment reminder. A lot of customers reached out to us with requests for this feature. So now the Ezymigrate system will be generating a reminder message for all invoices once they become due. We are now heading for our third phase of deployment. Our fantastic team is currently tying up the odds and ends of this new system, which will be with you in a few weeks' time. Till then, see you. Bye-bye.